Assam, India, is a land of mystery. Deep in its heart lies Jatinga, a small village with a strange secret. Every monsoon, birds fall from the sky, hundreds of them. It's a sight that is both eerie and mesmerizing. What causes this? People have wondered for years. Is it the weather, magnetic fields, or something else entirely? Assam is more than just this mystery. It's a place of vibrant history. The Ahom dynasty ruled for 600 years, leaving behind palaces and stories. The wildlife is incredible. One-horned rhinos roam Kaziranga National Park. Elephants trumpet through the forests. Tigers stalk their prey. And then there's Kamakya Temple. It's an important pilgrimage site perched on a hilltop. The temple is dedicated to the Mother Goddess. Pilgrims come from all over India to pay their respects. Assam is a land of contrasts, where ancient traditions meet natural wonders. Let's go back to Jatinga, a place shrouded in mystery and intrigue. Imagine a small, serene village nestled in the lush green hills of Assam. The air is thick with the smell of rain, a scent that permeates the atmosphere, adding to the village's mystique. As night falls, the villagers light torches, their flickering flames casting eerie shadows. Suddenly, birds start to fall from the sky. They seem disoriented, confused, and helpless. Some die on impact, their fragile bodies unable to withstand the fall. Others, still alive, are captured by the villagers, who are both puzzled and saddened by the phenomenon. This strange event happens every year, like clockwork, between August and October, drawing curious onlookers and researchers alike. The birds aren't just any birds, they are special. They are usually nocturnal birds, like kingfishers and tiger bitterns, known for their elusive nature. These birds are inexplicably drawn to the lights of the village, almost as if they are mesmerized by the glow. But why do they become disoriented? That's the million-dollar question that has baffled scientists and locals for decades. The mystery remains unsolved, adding to the allure of Jatinga. Locals have their own theories, each more intriguing than the last. Some believe evil spirits are at work, haunting the village and causing chaos. Others say it's the work of the gods, a divine intervention that cannot be explained by mere mortals. These stories have been passed down for generations, becoming part of the village's rich oral tradition. Scientists, however, have a different explanation, grounded in research and observation. They believe it's a combination of factors, both natural and environmental. The monsoon weather, the dense fog, and the bright village lights all play a role in confusing the birds. The birds become disoriented and fly towards the lights, mistaking them for the moon or stars. In their confusion, they collide with objects and fall to the ground, unable to navigate properly. It's a tragic but natural phenomenon, a consequence of their disorientation. But some scientists believe there might be more to it, something yet to be discovered. Could there be something about the unique geography of the area that affects the birds? Or perhaps the Earth's magnetic field plays a role, creating an unseen force that influences their behavior. The mystery continues to captivate both locals and scientists, each seeking answers in their own way. The Jatinga bird mystery is a reminder of the power of nature. Every year, during specific months, birds mysteriously plunge to their deaths in this small village in Assam, leaving both locals and scientists baffled. It's also a reminder of the importance of scientific inquiry. Researchers have been tirelessly working to understand the reasons behind this strange phenomenon, using advanced technology and methods. By understanding the science behind this phenomenon, we can protect the birds. Conservationists are developing strategies to prevent these tragic events and ensure the safety of the avian population. We can also educate people about the dangers of superstition. Many locals believe in supernatural explanations, but through education, we can promote a more scientific understanding. Jatinga is a place where science and folklore collide. The rich cultural beliefs of the region add a layer of complexity to the scientific investigations. It's a place that sparks curiosity and wonder. The mysterious events have drawn the attention of scientists, tourists, and media from around the world. And it's a reminder that there is still so much we don't know about the natural world. The mysteries of Jatinga challenge our understanding and push the boundaries of scientific exploration. But by working together, we can unravel these mysteries and protect our planet's incredible biodiversity for generations to come. Collaborative efforts between scientists, conservationists, and local communities are key to preserving the unique wildlife of Assam. That's all for today. See you in the next episode. If you are baffled by the video, do like and subscribe.